guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a long-awaited cold start video. 2005 Ford F350 1-ton dually King Ranch Cummins. We're coming at you in the West Bottoms, where we always are, downtown Kansas City, Missouri. And you guys have been waiting a long time for this truck, but it is up. The King Ranch FUMMINS diesel. And as you can tell, we've got ice on the ground. It's like 10 degrees today, so I am hopping up in this right now before I freeze to death. Holy good, it's cold. All right, as you guys already know, 199,614 on the miles. Truck fires right up. The entire gauge cluster works as designated by Ford. Tranny's warm, motor's cold. Same story it always is, guys. It is freezing out today. Oh man, it is cold. I'm trying to warm up here. 1-ton King Ranch dually Cummins swap. This is a lot of truck, guys. This is one of the coolest trucks you'll ever see on our channel. It's just, I don't know, it's all around awesome, you know. Everything's functioning. It took us a lot of work and time. If you've been following the YouTube videos, check them out. We go through everything from getting the seats done, the fuel system. This truck has been through the ringer. The 816 diesel quality control criteria. I know I said it, just under 200,000 miles. It is a southern rust-free King Ranch. Came out of Alabama, then Florida. Spent its whole life in the South. It's a nice truck. It's got a 24 valve Cummins out of an 01 second gen Ram, paired with the Ford transmission, and all the Ford stuff is online still. Functioning heat, functioning AC from the Ford controller, tunes, 4-wheel drive, everything, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, speedometer works. It's off a little bit, but it works. Tack works, fuel, engine temp, everything. But it's got a Cummins, no 6-liter Ford in this truck. I'm gonna go over the rundown while we're inside of it. I know it's not as exciting. We redid all the leather seats. So passenger seat, brand new leather head to toe, except for the headrest. And we pulled the old emblems off the seat and had them stitched back on. Also did new armrests. We spent almost $1,000 just on these front two seats, getting them up to brand new looking. So we've got a trailer brake controller in it, cup holder, nothing too fancy on the inside here. Came with tinted windows. As you can tell, they got a little rip in them and some streaks. They were tinted probably 10 years ago. We did do a lot of our modifications to this, and I'm going to start walking you through them. Let's just go over the engine real quick. It's a stock 24 valve Cummins, and when we got it, it had a severe loss of power. Truck drove fine, it just wasn't powerful. We pulled the entire fuel system off, checked the VP44, put fresh gaskets on it, ended up having bad injectors and a bad lift pump. So we put a Fass Fuel lift pump on it and brand new BOSCH injectors, and this thing runs like a stock Cummins should on a big heavy Ford. But without further ado, let's just hop out there and get under the hood to the good stuff. This is still a 200,000 mile truck that's been swapped, so please keep that in mind when watching this video. I'm not claiming this thing to be perfect or the cleanest truck in the world. It's missing this little brake pedal cover, little basic stuff like this. You know, the handle's got a little bit of rough leather on it. Nothing that's the end of the world, but I'm still going to show you all this condition thoroughly so you know what you're getting into with this truck. And we did do a little paint job, if you couldn't tell, because these were all spray painted gold. We had to change up the air filter, the pipes, because we brought the AC lines in and the heater lines, so we changed a lot, but it's stock truck, you know. Stock motor, nothing fancy. It's got an exhaust, it's got a fast pump, new injectors, VP44 with paperwork, been checked. No blow-by either. I'm sorry guys, it is so cold, I'm barely thinking straight out here. Put my hoodie up. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna show you so you guys don't let the haters out on me. I'd rather show it to you instead of you take my word for it. Oh man, it's cold. Well, That's why I gotta climb the bumper. There you go. No blow by at all. Woo! 10 ply, brand new. New shocks, 3-inch leveling kit. We did put some nice FUMMINS door badges on there. Like I said, tinted windows, King Ranch running boards. Beautiful CM flatbed, skirted with toolboxes. Take a look at the back seat here. Leather's in good shape. It's got some discoloration like most King Ranches do. Can be conditioned. Oh, it's so warm in here, nice feeling. Nothing fancy in the back seat to see there. There's your CM flatbed details. Not a lot that's going to show you. Flatbed's really nice, and I didn't even show you the rust. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. It's so cold out. No rust at all. Like I said, Southern truck. It's not bubbling, it's not doing anything, it's just dirty. Brand new 35s all around. Oh. We did pull the dent out of the bed, as you can notice. In case you saw some of the early intake videos of this truck that had a big old dent in the bed there. Fixed a couple other little things on the bed. All LED lights on the bed too. You know what? Let's light them up. You guys, there's only one chance to see this without coming down here, so let's kick them on. It's beautiful turn signals. I don't know why I'm obsessed with those LEDs. All LED lights. Looking right. 4-inch turbo back exhaust. Not too crazy or loud. Doesn't smoke, do anything weird. These are removable if you don't want them. They just lift right out. It does have a gooseneck hitch under the door there. We are pushing the limitations of these 35s in this bed, but it clears wonderfully. Guys, all in all, it's a great truck. And when I say no rust, I mean look at the bottoms of these doors. No bubbles, no touch-up. Just some red clay, actually. But if you're interested in this truck and you haven't been following it, hop on YouTube, search 816 Diesel FUMMINS. We got a few videos out on it. It'll get you familiar with the repairs. All of them will be listed on my website right here. Go ahead and drop it in. 816diesel.com. Head on over to that website. Woo, got some ice there. Head on over to the website 816diesel.com. Pictures, VIN number, pricing, everything I just covered, all the modifications, all the receipts, we're going to have them on there listed for you. But as you guys can tell, this is a beautiful truck and it is not going to last long. We've been advertising it for months now as we build it, just because how cool it is. But if you have any questions, guys, hold up, let me hop in here. Oh, my name is Cameron. Feel free to call or text me anytime. 913-735-3748. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri, in the West Bottoms. So get a hold of us, come check it out. It's not going to last long, guys, but I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Cool trucks always getting dropped on this channel, so worth checking out. Happy New Year's to everyone. We appreciate your support as always, and stay safe out there. It's going to be cold.